When you practice words with multisyllables, it's words that have two or more syllables. So, for example, the word apple just has two syllables, but butterfly has three. The reason we practice these words is because sometimes in conversation, and as you start to really get good at your speech sounds, it's still hard to say them in bigger words. It's important to make sure that you're still saying all of your sounds correctly. If you do have trouble with a specific sound, go to that video and practice it, especially if you're having problems in bigger words. Let's practice the words together. I'll say them, and then you repeat after me. Aquarium. Aquarium. Equipment. Equipment. Exquisite. Exquisite. Aerobics. Aerobics. Aerial. Aerial. Oreos. Oreos. Ornaments. Ornaments. Orchestra. Orchestra. Organic. Organic. Important. Important. Dangerous. Dangerous. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Escalator. Escalator. Alligator. Alligator. Chickenpox. Chickenpox. Criminal. Criminal. Zodiac. Zodiac. Vanilla. Vanilla. Violet. Violet. Valentines. Valentines. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Parachute. Parachute. Butterfly. Butterfly. You did a great job. Those are really tough. Don't forget, if you need help with any specific sounds, to go back and practice those videos in my articulation speech sound video playlist. Ask me for help anytime. I'm here just to help you. I know you did a great job, and I'm really proud of you for working so hard today. I'll see you soon. Bye!